This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT reading question. The question is asking us to describe sleep. So we want to find the part of the passage where we're talking about sleep. And we see here that sleep is talked about in this part of the passage. So we see that in falling asleep, we have undesired ideas coming into prominence because we're more tired, and we like to say that we're accustomed to assign fatigue as the reason for this slackening. So we have less control over our thoughts, and we'll blame it on just being fatigued. And then it goes on to talk about how undesired thoughts now come to the surface, and they become ideas, and that's how we develop dreams. So let's look at our choices and see what reflects this. So choice 1, we have no psychic energy is available for the attentive following of undesired thoughts. So we're not mentioning psychic energy, so this is not going to be a good choice because we don't know if it's because that we have psychic energy that this attentive following of undesired thoughts is happening. So this is going to happen in general. Choice 2, fatigue causes the slackening of a certain arbitrary and often critical action, according to most people's way of thinking. And that's exactly what we see here when we say that we are accustomed to assign fatigue as the reason for this slackening. So this is exactly what's in the passage. This is probably going to be good. Choice 3, undesired and desired ideas are not modified, but things are modified, in fact, because we have undesired thoughts coming to the surface, and they're going to retain their identity as ideas. So they are being modified, so that's not true. Choice 4, the watchers of the gates of intelligence have not withdrawn, and we talk about intelligence much later in the passage, kind of in this area, so that's not going to apply to sleep, so choice 2 is